First, we remember that we cannot get happiness outside. Why? Because whatever we get that happiness from outside, it is absolutely a relative concept. It is not a real happiness. As long as we are with that relation, or as long as we are with that object, what we want to procure from outside, so long we get that particular happiness. If there are any chances to lose that relation or that object, so automatically the happiness will be disappeared. So this is not a real happiness. The real happiness is inside us. Instead of being an embodiment of the happiness, we are searching for that temporary happiness which is not real in outside. The main reason for this condition is our mind. Our conditioned mind will always seek happiness or joy or whatever that pleasure moment by identifying with some object or some relations or something which is not real. Instead of making an outward journey, if we make our own the journey which leads to our inner core, is nothing but the self, the true self, then we can easily find out what exactly the real happiness is. Our conditioned mind, because we have constructed so many thoughts, we have constructed so many conditions, and we always seek several expectations from others. So if that expectations or that conditions are not being satisfied, so automatically we get misery. So we see that situation is a very miserable situation. So the happiness or the misery or that sadness are absolutely related with our own mind. The happiness is not in objects, happiness is not in relations, happiness is not outside, and as well as the sadness also is not in objects, is not in relations. The way how we receive that situation towards our mind, it depends on that particular, the receiving, it depends on that particular perception, how we see the world. The world or our surroundings are nothing but it is a result of our own conditioned mind.